Magandang buhay, everyone.
I am Justin Jersey
And I am Catherine Dalamparo, and we are from Asian Skills Academy Foundation Incorporated.
So now we are going to travel on the history of Asian Skills Academy Foundation. So
What are you waiting for?
let's go!
So this is Asian Skills Academy Foundation before. So Asian Skills Academy Foundation is an institution accredited by TESDA that offers technical and vocational education and training programs under the Technical Education and Skills Development Authority or TESDA and the Commission of Higher Education or CHED. So for further information, you can.
At ito na ngayon ang Asian Skills Academy Foundation Incorporated na dati ay isang paralang TESDA at ngayon ay isa na siyang senior high school na may libreng tuition at libreng uniforme. At dito natin makikita ang pag-improve ng para ito dahil marami ng silid-aralan at iba pang mga gusali.